third engineering firm could decide the fate of a church bell tower in Over-the-Rhine. Both First Lutheran Church and OTR Adopt say the tower will not stand without repairs, and in the past, each group hired an engineering firm. Now, one firm estimates the repair cost at $300,000. The other estimates that it's going to cost $3 million. Well, this week they agreed to use a third firm to give the final word. If the new firm says it's cheap enough, then OTR Adopt will pay for the repairs and First Lutheran Church will move in. If the new firm says it's too expensive, First Lutheran will then tear down that bell tower.